Hello, everyone. I just want to start off with a brief tour of the Canvas page just to give you an idea of where you can find out anything that you may have questions about. The syllabus is really the starting point. That's where you can find any information about the course, the required materials, course description, schedule, and importantly, how you're graded. So here's all the assignments that you have to do with a short description, as well as how they're weighted in your final grade and the grading scale. I also list some important dates here, as well as course and university policies. So this will be the first place you should look if you have any questions about the course. If that doesn't answer your questions, feel free to send me a Canvas message. I'm much more responsive via Canvas message than I am email. I'm going to be checking it throughout the week. I may check over weekends, but I'm much less responsive over the weekends. I can't guarantee a response. All right. I'm also going to be having office hours every Thursday at 6 p.m. via Zoom. These are completely optional meetings, but they're just there to give you an opportunity to ask questions. But for the main bulk of the course, your interaction is going to be through these weekly pages. I'm going to start with week 2 because that's a more typical week. So on the week 2 page, you'll see that there is a brief introduction about what we're going to be talking about that week, just to kind of give you an idea of where we're going. There's going to be assigned readings as well as a associated video. And so these are kind of taking the place of your traditional lecture. And all of these readings are from the digital textbook, which I'll point to here in just a moment. And then below the materials for the week is the to-do list, and that's going to typically have an assignment that is graded only for completion, and a quiz, which I do grade and provide feedback on. Both of them are due before midnight each Sunday evening, so keep that in mind. It's kind of the turnover point for each week. Below that are some additional resources. For the most part, that's just going to be lecture slides and written notes. If you prefer to have those than to watch the videos or in addition to the videos, I've made those available as well. Back to the main page. To access the textbook, you click this bookshelf link to the left. And it should bring up any courses that you have textbooks digitally through Inclusive Access. And if you click there, it'll take you to the textbook website. The first time you may have to put in your email and things like that. But once it gets pulled up, you should have a table of contents for the textbook that will allow you to easily navigate to whatever chapter we're talking about each week. So, for instance, next week we're going to start with chapter 1. And so that's under part 1, chapter 1. There we go. All right. I think that's about it. For this week, all I have is this video and taking a look at the syllabus, and I'm asking you all to do a short introductions assignment. It just helps with making the large online class slightly less impersonal. But that's it. Thank you.